What is Zelle and how does it work? Imagine sending money to a friend and it arrives in seconds. No fees, no waiting days, no cash involved. That's exactly what Zelle promises. But what is it really? How safe is it? And should you be using it? Let's break down what Zelle is, how it works, and why it's become one of the most popular money transfer tools in the US. Zelle is a digital payment system that lets you send and receive money instantly right from your bank account. It's built into the apps of most major banks, including Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and many more. But even if your bank doesn't support Zelle, you can still use it through the Zelle mobile app. Here's what makes Zelle different. The money moves directly from one bank account to another. No middlemen, no holding periods. So how does it actually work? Let's say you want to pay your friend back for dinner. You open your banking app or the Zelle app. You enter their phone number or email. You type the amount and hit send. That's it. Your friend gets a text or email that says you've received money with Zelle. If they've already registered, the money hits their account in minutes. If not, they're guided through a quick sign-up process and then the funds go through. What makes Zelle so popular? 3 things. Speed. Most transfers are instant, even between different banks. Convenience. It's built into apps millions of people already use. No fees. Unlike Venmo or PayPal, Zelle doesn't charge you or the recipient. It's perfect for everyday things like splitting rent, paying a babysitter, or sending money to family. And since it's linked to your bank account, there's no need to transfer money in or out of a digital wallet. You use send and it's done. But wait, what are the risks? Here's the catch. Zelle offers zero buyer protection. If you send money to the wrong person or fall for a scam, you're likely not getting that money back. Zelle is designed for sending money to people you trust. It's not meant for paying strangers online or buying things from Facebook Marketplace. So always double check the contact info. And never send money to someone you don't personally know or trust. Can businesses use Zelle? Yes, but it depends. Zelle does offer Zelle for business, but not all banks support it yet. If your bank allows it, you can accept payments from customers as long as they also use Zelle. It's fast and fee-free, but again, there's no chargeback protection like you'd get with a credit card. So if you're a business owner, use with caution. What do you need to sign up? Getting started with Zelle is simple. A US bank account, a valid US phone number or email, a smartphone with a banking app or the Zelle app. If your bank supports Zelle, just activate it through their app. If not, download the Zelle app, link your debit card, and you're ready to go. So is Zelle right for you? If you want to send money to friends and family instantly with no fees and no hassle, Zelle is one of the fastest, easiest tools available. Just remember, it's not a marketplace tool, it's not for buying from strangers. It's for trust-based, personal transactions. Use wisely, it's a game changer. Have you used Zelle before? Got a tip or a question? Drop it in the comments and give this video a like if it helped you understand how Zelle works.